Absolutely, yeah, let me walk you through that. So no special equipment required, water and power. That's it. So most homes will be fine.
Mm-hmm.
So the way we have it is we have these tray systems, and we have our pre-seeded seed mats that come in these nice little boxes with an introduction to what they are and a little explanation of how to set it up. So I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
This is how they arrive.
Okay.
So it basically looks like a piece of paper, and it's got the seeds already on there. They're not loose. If I were to shake it, the seeds aren't going to fall off, which is great. So that's one piece that removes the hassle. And then you really just want to pour water all the way over it, completely soaking that seed pad so that the seeds get their first level, and there's a thin layer on top that will make sure that the seeds don't move when you do that. So you just give it a lot of water, fill up the bowl as much as possible. I always recommend pouring it on top, and then usually a few days later it'll look like this one that's right next to it, where you can see some of those greens are growing right there through the medium.
Okay.
And the last thing that you want to do is set up the light, and so we have two buttons here. So I'll turn it off just to show you, but you press this button, and when you hold it down, it blinks telling you, hey, timer's on. So now it's going to stay on for 12 hours and off for 12 hours. Leave on a trip, come back, and you'll have microgreens.